A very good morning, dear children. Let us start our next chapter, chapter 8, part 2. We are not going to do part 1, that we will do after exams. So, we will do part 2. It is a small poem, and the name of the poem is Cats Sleep Anywhere. And who has written this poem? This poem is written by Eleanor Farzian. She is the poetess Eleanor Farzian. Okay, she has written this poem. So you have to learn these spellings of the poetess. So write down date on the top. It's 16th August 2021 and the day is Monday. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair. So cats sleep anywhere. Cats love to sleep at the places where they feel comfortable. Okay, so they sleep anywhere where they feel comfortable. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair. So they sleep on any table, on any chair. Okay, you can see on any chair, on any table, top of piano, window ledge. So cats sleep, if they feel comfortable on the top of the piano, they will sleep there. You can on the window ledge. You can see here window ledge. In the middle, on the edge. So in the middle of the window also and on the edge. Edge means on boundary also. So they sleep on window ledge also. Open drawer, empty shoe. So they sleep in an open drawer also. They sleep in an empty shoe. If shoe is empty, they sleep in that also. So cats sleep anywhere where they feel comfortable. Open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. So in anybody's lap, if they feel comfortable in anybody's lap, there also they sleep. So you can see here cat is sleeping on the lap of this woman. Next, fitted in a cardboard box. So you can see here one cardboard box is there and she has fitted herself in this box. So they sleep in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frocks. So they sleep with your frocks, where you are keeping your frocks, your clothes, there also they sleep. They fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. So they don't care where they are sleeping. If they are comfortable in any place, they will sleep over there only. So cats sleep at the places where they feel comfortable. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. Okay, so this is our poem and it is written by Eleanor Farzian. So let me show you a poem now. Cats sleep anywhere. Okay, cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. So now you understood? Cats sleep anywhere. So I hope you understood now. Cats sleep anywhere. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. So cats sleep anywhere where they feel comfortable. Okay. So you along with this reading, we will do question answer also of this chapter. So these are our question answer. You will write these question answer also in your notebook. Clear? Let us read these questions. Question 1. Name the 5 places where cats sleep according to the poem. According to the poem, you have to write 5 places. So answer is table, chair, piano, window ledge, empty shoe. So these 5 I have written. What else I have not written means if 5 they have asked, you will write 5. If they have not written 5, so you can write more also. Okay. Question 2. Who has written this poem? Cats sleep anywhere. So I have told you answer is Eleanor Farzian. So she has written, Eleanor Farzian has written the poem Cats Sleep Anywhere. Question number 3. Anywhere they don't care. Anywhere they don't care. About whom they are saying? Anywhere they don't care. Who don't care? Who is they here? About whom they are talking. So about whom we are talking in the poem. So it is who is referred to as they. So about whom they are saying they. To whom they are saying they. So to whom they are saying they are saying they to cat. Okay. So cats, here who is there, you will write cats. So here is given, but cats are plural, we will write are. Cats are referred to as they. So who is referred to as they? Cats are referred to as they. So these are 3 questions, easy questions. You will write in your notebook. Dictation word and word meaning I will send you. That also you will do it. First of all, with the reading you will do these question answer. Okay. So take care.